Welcome to D-Cube Analytics. As a part of the D-Cube HR team, our job is to bring in the right talent to the organization and help shape their career with us. We at D-Cube believe in our core values: humility, respect, forbearance and ethics. D-Cube is a place where all the team members are given an equal opportunity to enrich their knowledge, to act upon their goals and convert their imaginations into actions. We value and respect every team member and provide them the focus to drive their career in the data analytics space. Team members are our greatest asset and we strive to keep them aligned to the market trend and support them through a holistic learning and development experience. We invite you to learn about our team members, their journey and life at D-Cube in the subsequent videos in this series.
I joined D-Cube way back when it was just a few of us working on delivery and development of our product, the Digital Discovery Suite.
The array of possibilities here are boundless. I have worked across some of most amazing projects spanning across forecasting, healthcare analytics, sales, payer analytics, commercial analytics, and many more.
I observed that the focus in D-Cube was on the ability to learn, the ability to adapt, and the ability to take up new challenges and not be scared of them.
If I look at the company's growth trajectory, we've grown many fold since then. We are setting up multiple locations, we are hiring aggressively, we are acquiring new customers while increasing the reach inside the customers that we already have. If I look at this from a personal growth perspective, introspecting on where I am right now compared to where I was, there is a massive difference in the expertise that I bring to the table. I have been able to lead teams in a myriad of projects across BI and reporting solutions in commercial, payer, Salesforce analytics, advanced analytics, and real-world analytics.
One of the best parts about D-Cube is that it cares for its employees and provides an array of learning opportunities ranging from holding knowledge sharing sessions, training programs, and sponsoring for these certification courses. A high-paced collaborative environment coupled with the opportunity to lead the team at early stages of the career defines my experience at D-Cube. With just 3 months into the organization, I was given a chance to lead a team and I readily grabbed the opportunity. Outside of just developing my technical skills, I've also evolved as a professional while working here with some of the smartest professionals.
Over time, I learned that the culture here is driven with passion and innovation towards the work that we do. Some of the most casual discussions over coffee have resulted in the most creative and effective solutions.
With all the flavors of modern age technologies, working with some of the best era-defining technologies has been one of the high points.
Luckily for us, D-Cube has not just provided us with rewarding and challenging opportunities, but also with energetic young individuals who are willing to share their enthusiasm outside of work.
The colleagues and team members are basically like family members to us. We enjoy working with each other, and the work is like fun and work combined, you can say.
The management in D-Cube is also very transparent and they are very supportive.
I have never felt that I couldn't reach them when I wanted to talk to them, and when I wanted to express my interests or my inclination towards a particular technology or particular project or extracurricular activities for that matter. We've had like a very friendly environment here.
The growth at D-Cube is huge because the company is investing a lot in the young professionals.
One fine evening, while discussing about our interests during a tea break in office, we realized how most of us have one thing in common, apart from analytics, and that was our love for sports. Later, during office events and outings, we saw how people actively volunteered in sports events. That's when Arjun, I, and a few other folks thought of forming a sports committee.
Yeah, we have fun activities happening through the month. You have fun events and you have cultural activities, and also you have team outings happening from time to time.
We always take from the society, always. We never give back anything. What we give them back is only the leftovers. People must lend their hands to help others. At that point of time, I was desperately waiting for a boost up and encouraged people around me to involve in such activities. And yeah, D-Cube came into the picture. They provided me with a perfect platform. When I pitched in this idea to the management, the response from the management was really encouraging. So we decided to organize more events, and it became a huge success.
The main agenda that the company follows, or they would like to incorporate among the employees also, it's not just you always have to work. You also need to have fun and share the happiness, so that you will get a different side of the employee.
We are more like a family who eat and play together. It's really great to be a part of an organization which makes you feel more like a family. Now you tell me, who wouldn't want to experience it?
The data science space is expanding exponentially, and the newer technologies are taking the airwaves every day. Are you ready to build the innovations and technologies for tomorrow? At DCube, the high standards of quality and challenging work ensures a rewarding experience that enables you to explore new avenues while chasing your passion. At DCube, you get to experience our familial culture that is 100% merit-based, with flat hierarchy that rewards performance, loyalty, and customer success impact. The opportunities are endless here. Come, join us, because it's just not job, it's career.